Hello everyone, this is Rego from industrialmalaysia.my. In this video, we are going to understand what is exactly meant by a property market value. Before we move on to understand what is a property market value, we shall first discuss the difference between a property cost, price, and value. Let's move on. In the primary property market, a property cost means it will include the land cost and development costs incurred by the property developer. A property price will means it accommodates all the costs here plus the property developer's profit. And what about value? Value is entirely different. So value, it will depend on the scarcity and utility. Utility means the satisfaction to the consumer. And it will depend on the supply and demand of the property. So this is the difference between cost, price, and value. Now, let's move on to understand what is meant by a market value. According to the Malaysia Valuation Standard, yes, there's such a standard, and MVS Standard 1, they define property market value is the estimated amount. Here it says estimated amount. That means there is no fixed and hard rule to say the amount, exact amount, how much it should be. So it is an estimated amount of a property that should exchange on the date of valuation between the willing buyer and also the willing seller. So in an arm's length transaction, which means the buyer and the seller are not related party. And after property marketing, that means they engage property agent like us to sell the property, and we have done the property marketing effort. So both the buyer and seller, they acted knowledgeably, prudently, and without compulsion. It means without forcing each other to sell at a certain price.